Here's Hunter and Grandpa getting ready for the initial launch. Hunter, give me a woohoo.
Woohoo!
Grandpa's getting ready. That's pretty vertical right there. We're out at a golf driving range in Bonita Springs, Florida. Mama's so far back it's ridiculous. She's laughing. Go ahead and work your magic. Woohoo!
Come on, shoot.
Yay! There it goes. Go get it, buddy. Look at that boy run. I got some sort of video on it. I don't know what I did. Woohoo!
Be careful, the end might be hot.